Hey guys, welcome to Glam with Gabby. Gabby here. So today I'm going to be doing just a makeup look. I'm bored, having some fun with some makeup, so let's just go ahead and dive right in. So my skin is already prepped with NYX Professional Makeup Pore Filler. That's what it looks like. And now I'm just going to start with my Wet Real Techniques Beauty Blender from Ulta. And I actually mix my foundation. So I mix the Fit Me foundation. I mix the colors Porcelain and Ivory because these shades are very close, but I'm like a shade right in the middle of them. So I like to mix mine in just like a little travel size container. Alright, so I just start to blend the product into my skin, blend the foundation. I don't mean to sound so formal. I'm not this formal really. So, and by the way, I am by no means a professional. I'm just having some fun with some makeup, just so everyone knows. And don't forget the ears. Never forget the ears, or it just doesn't look right. Like this skin is like really smooth and even toned, and then your ear is just off. I don't know. I think I picked that up from Jeffree Star actually. His big thing has always been get the ear, don't forget the ear. So that's probably where I picked it up from. So since this is my first video, I am going to tell you guys a little bit about myself. So I am 22. I'll be 23 in September. I am engaged. Don't pay attention to my nails. We in quarantine, y'all. All the nail salons are closed. So I just had to soak my set off yesterday, because they were so grew out, and then one of them broke off, and I was just like, I need my nail salon open back up. I'm gonna finish up putting on my foundation, and we'll be right back for the next step. Alright guys, now that we have our foundation blended, we are going to now start off with eyebrows. I know a lot of people don't do eyebrows at this stage, but I do. So I've recently actually got this from the Dollar General. It's called Believe Beauty in the shade light brown. It's a brow pencil, brow defining pencil. So I think the packaging is super cute, and it has that gold right here, and this is what the tip looks like. But yeah, I'm just gonna start filling in where pretty much my natural arch, but just fill it in, fill in the empty spaces and stuff like that, and really give it more of a more bold shape. And then we'll be able to go in with concealer and really carve the brows. And don't judge it as we're going through. It'll look better. But now we're going to go in with the Maybelline Brow Ultra Slim Defining Pencil. And this is in the shade Soft Brown as well. We're just going in and filling in some of the empty spots. Okay guys, now that we have this eyebrow filled in, I'm going to go ahead and fill this one in. Okay, now that I have both eyebrows filled in, we're just going to go ahead and go in with our Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Fair. So you're just going to go ahead and outline what you just drew on. And I do now have a Facebook page and an Instagram page. I'll link the ats down below. I am going to just blend in what we just carved out. Now you're just gonna blend. So for this part, I am going to take my concealer, my Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Fair. Yeah, I am almost out of this, if we're gonna be honest. We're just gonna blend in that concealer that I put. Y'all, please excuse my faces that I make whenever I'm blending or really doing anything on my face, because they're hilarious. But I know every girl does them. Like, ain't nobody coming up in here saying, oh, I don't make that face. Mascara, eyeliner, everybody got a face. And this just so happens to be mine. I am going to grab my Tarte Pineapple palette to use. Okay, obviously it's very, very used, but it's this one. Dip in and do some contouring. Try and get them cheeks looking snatched, y'all. Do the other side. And then I get just a little bit. Take it on that double chin. Cover that up, you know what I'm saying? I think every female tries to cover up their double chin. Shit, I know I do. I'm just gonna take a flat powder brush, Morphe, and use my Fit Me matte poreless powder, pressed powder in the shade Porcelain. I do put my powder over my powder contour just because it does veil it a little bit, and it actually helps with the blending. And y'all, I am by no means a professional. I just really enjoy doing makeup and just playing around in it and just having fun. So this is just me playing around. So I am going to use my a little bit of my Hit the Lights Morphe palette. I also like to use the Urban Decay Naked The Heat palette. So we're first gonna go in to the Morphe palette. I'll be using the shade My Type, just as like a little base. Just do like a regular windshield wiper motion. That's what I tend to do. But yeah, so I just do the little windshield wiper motions, and that's what you should get. And that was just with like a little fan brush. This was from Farrah. I think that's the Teen Mom that came out with her makeup. I got it in my Ipsy bag. I actually just subscribed to BoxyCharm. So that should be my next video, is the unboxing of my BoxyCharm. Super excited. I've never watched an unboxing. Don't really know what to expect. I also got this one. I think it's Luxie. I'm not really for sure, but I love this brush as well. And now I am going to dip into the Urban Decay palette. I'm going to dip into Cayenne Like the Pepper and add a little bit of definition to my crease. And this look is just, I'm just messing around with some makeup. This is a look that I would do just if I'm in a hurry. I ain't really trying to be all extra, but I'm still trying to look cute. Same little windshield wiper motions. And now we're gonna dip into Fuego. Sassy. Ooh, let's darken her up a bit. Yes, queen. So I'm supposed to get married May 16th. Hopefully that happens. If it doesn't, we'll still be getting married, just at a later date. So yeah, so this is something to kind of keep my mind off of all the negativity, not just wedding planning, but all the negativity in general. So now I'm just going to take a little bit of concealer and not really cut my crease. I'm going to blend that. So it technically is cutting my crease, but I am going to blend it out and dip back into my Morphe palette for some sparkles. We're going to be using Flirt Alert, which is kind of like a creamy gold. Here, I'll show you. And then we're going to be using Glitz On. So Flirt Alert would be this gold one, and Glitz On is that one right there. Really make that gold pop. I'm all about some sparkles. Like, the more sparkles, the better. Ooh. Ooh, she cute. So I'm going to be highlighting my brow now, my inner crease. Oh, and what I'm highlighting it with is the Ofra, I don't know, highlighter in the shade Star Island. I wish I was on an island right now, y'all, sipping a mimosa on the beach. Now I'm just taking like the little pointy end, highlighting my inner corner. We like her to be highlighted to the gods. Now I'm going to take a little angled skinny brush and dip into Fuego, the dark color I used, and a little bit of cayenne to do the under eye. So I just go underneath my eye with the beauty blender that I already had like my foundation and concealer on it, and I just really clean up underneath the eye. I like to blend in that highlighter and the shadow just a hair. But we're going to focus a little bit more on the face right now. So I'm going to be taking my, oh, you can see me, my Becca Set and Refresh powder. So I really like this powder. Whenever you open it, it has like a keep me closed to keep me cold or cool. And it has like this little mesh like press thing. I really like it. So I'm just gonna press my beauty blender in and then hit it under my eyes so it keeps me from creasing. Now it is blush time, so I'm going to be taking this English Rose from Dome, and I have another angled brush. It was actually a NYX professional makeup brush for liquid foundation. I just find that it is honestly like the perfect curvature for my cheeks. So I take it up all the way to my temple. I don't really know where I learned that from, but I just feel like it works best for the shape. I don't really focus just on the apples of my cheeks. I take it up kind of like a contour. Okay, and now we are going to grab some mascara. So for the bottom, I am going to use Tarte Maneater to do the bottom lashes. I just really like the applicator for the bottom lashes. I'm going to be grabbing my Unique Moonstruck mascara. Alright, so did that layer of mascara. And since this is like just a cute little look, I'm just going to be using the Kiss Scarlet Lashes. I got these from the Dollar General. These eyelashes, honestly, they are just so cute and like whimsical and like really I don't want to say natural looking, but I think they're more on the natural side, definitely. But we'll put these on and add a little bit more mascara. If you guys have any questions, just comment down below and maybe I'll try and do like a Q&A or try and do another video that teaches a little bit better about what I just did. So now I'm going to go back in with my Unique mascara. That just binds the lashes to the fake lashes. And now one of my fave parts is finishing off my highlighter. I'm going to go back in with the Ofra. Oh girl, highlighted to the gods. Look at that. I just go in a little C form. Yes, honey. Okay. And now we're going to do lips. So I like to take a little makeup wipe and clean up my actual lip. And then I'm going to go in with the Palladio waterproof nearly nude lip liner. Okay, so I got my lips lined and now I'm going to go in with this, the Dollar General again, man. Like, I am obsessed with the Dollar General, but it's a Velvet Matte Liquid Lipstick. It's from Believe Beauty in the shade Foxy. Okay, so there is my lipstick. So I just used a little bit of brow gel, and now I am going to go in with my Morphe Continuous Settings Mist. I'm gonna go in with that and spray. I love that stuff. Honest to God, I could bathe in it. So here is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoy this. Girl, I am feeling myself. I'm telling you, like, I'm obsessed with this eye look. If you guys like this video, just go ahead, hit the like button, subscribe, and hope to see you guys next time. Thank you for coming to Glam with Gabby, and y'all have a great day.